Okay. Once you have finished your yarn weaving and you've woven it correctly, where it is nice and smooth on both sides and you don't see the cardboard, none of the yarn is going on the circles, your name is on the back of your basket, we're going to start to create the design that's in the center. First thing we want to do is to create our circle that will fit inside our basket. To do that, you're going to need a compass. Okay, so when we get our compass, we're going to look at the area, and there's a little thing that says pi equals 3.1416 right there. You can see it, that little line right there. We're looking for this line right here. So then you're going to put it in the center of your paper. So I'm right on that line where it's pointing to the pi. I'm bringing my line around, and I kind of move my finger a bit so I can get to that one corner to where it makes a complete circle. You might want to keep it in the center where you're at so it doesn't move. That way, when we start to make our other circle, it's in that same position. Because if it's not in that same position and you've moved where that little circle part is in the center, it's really hard for you to get it back. Now I'm going to look for the part that says 2. You can kind of see it. 2R. So it's a 2 inches R. It has a little arrow and it's pointing right to that circle right there. So we're going to go there. I'm matching where I had my dot before. And I'm going to take and I'm going to create my circle. Okay. So now I have my circle in there. It'll end up looking something like this if you don't move the compass off of it. Because if you've kept it in the center and moved those lines going all the way around, they'll be nice and centered. Okay. Once you have your 2 circles, so we have a border, we have our main circle, okay? You're going to pick an animal. So there's a piece of paper that has several different animals. I even have a book. There's only one book. So you'll have to pass those around. That has several different animal designs in there for you to get to look at and pick from to create your design. I'm going to do the bear because I like the bear, okay? So what you do is you start to draw your design in the center of your picture. If you want to, on your design, if you want to even add your name in there, you can do that as well. I'm just creating our design. And yours doesn't have to be exactly like it if you want to change it up a little bit. Remember, it was very pictograph based of the animals that they saw. And if you look at the book, it has several different Native American tribes to choose from. And once you have your design on there, we are using markers to color this in. So you're going to pick your colors with your markers. I'm making mine a brown bear. Could be a black bear, it's up to you. It could be abstract. Just be creative with it and make it look nice. Once I have my bear design, I can think about whatever extra things I want to go along with it. I can maybe add some trees. And so now I have the center part of my design done. our next step is to create our pattern of pictographs, okay? I'm gonna pick some Native American symbols, okay? I'm gonna do the arrow for the hunt. I'm going to do the bear. And then I'm going to do, let's see, the moon. And I'm just gonna repeat it. That's gonna be my AB pattern. Our I can for this project is I can learn texture by weaving. I can learn how to weave. And I can create a pattern design based off of Native American art. I think I messed up my pattern there a little bit. But that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. And at the end, you might end up not having it at the complete. Anyways, so now I have my pattern done. I'm going to start to color that in. Get an orange for the moon. And might use the brown for the paws. And if you do mess up your pattern right there, it's okay. It's art. It doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, so I have my bear colored in and drawn. I have my pictographs in a pattern going around. It's okay if you accidentally mess up. It's fine. I messed up a little bit. But you can't really tell because it's art. Once you've done that, you're going to start to cut out your circle. Like so. Then you'll take your glue, my suggestion Elmer's, and you'll glue it down inside. It might overlap a little bit on your yarn. Just kind of position it to where it looks nice inside. Like so. See how it looks all nice right in there? And that's our weaving yarn basket finished.